Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Horstmann, and I will be giving a short presentation on a project to test the growth synchronization of stone fruit rootstocks and SCIONS with different chilling requirements. So why should we test the rootstock-SCION interaction? Well, the soil rootstock compatibility is fairly well known at this stage. We know which rootstocks perform well in which soils. But there's little research to quantify the effects of climatically ill-adapted rootstocks on an adapted cultivar, and the potential loss of income due to the loss of production that results from this. The effects of fruit quality and storage potential will also be looked at in this trial. So the aim and outcome of this project, in shortly, is to study and quantify the effect of ill-adapted rootstocks to determine the effects of poor synchronization on tree vigor and fruit quality, as well as the long-term or cumulative effect over multiple seasons, and develop practical means to include the synchronization monitoring in subsequent rootstock trials. How will we go about testing the interaction? We will be applying an adapted SCION on an adapted and an ill-adapted rootstock in a particular climatic condition. Thus, it will be a low-chill SCION on a low-chill rootstock and a low-chill SCION on a high-chill rootstock in a low-chill area. So this is already underway and is being planted as these presentations are being delivered. So this combination will be Patagonia, a low-chill variety, on Flordegaard, which is known to be a low-chill rootstock, and Sapo 778, which is known to be a higher chill requiring rootstock near Rebecca Steel, a low-chill area. The other half of this trial will be a high-chill SCION variety on a high-chill rootstock and a high-chill SCION variety on a low-chill rootstock in a high-chilling area. This part of the trial is still to be finalized and determined and aimed to be planted in 2021. So data will be collected on the vegetative and reproductive bud break progression. So this is when it starts, how long it is, how the evenness of the buds are breaking, and when it ends. Tree vigor will also be measured, so trunk circumferences, tree height and volume where possible. Productivity will be measured both annually and cumulatively. Yield efficiency also annually and cumulatively. The harvested fruit will be tested for quality and maturity, evenness and storability. Visual and sensory evaluation for disorders and quality traits will also be performed annually. The project progress, as I mentioned, the low-chill area is being planted now in 2020 at Rebecca Steel. The first data will be recorded. The high-chill planting will be identified and finalized for the 2021 planting. I would like to thank and acknowledge the following institutions for their support of the project: World Grow Science for the project initiation, funding and input from the Rootstock Evaluation Committee and the Peer Working Group, and my fellow researchers at Provo for their support of the project. Thank you very much.